Hi. Okay, I don't know where to start. Maybe with my name. My name is Tias and welcome to my channel! Here on my channel, you might going to see something different. No, not different. Different would be a strange word. Maybe weird or something like that. Actually, there's nothing special. I'm just raving around telling about how sucks Justin Bieber really is, or ranting about my task. But I know why the Ferrari owners are sucks. And the Lamborghini is a lot better than Ferrari. But no, we're not going to talk about it, okay? To start with, I'm an Asperger. In Indonesia, you might never heard about Asperger's syndrome. Or, the complete name is the Asperger's syndrome disorder. It's a kind of, well, I couldn't really explain about that either, because if I'm trying to explain about that, I might end up being called weird. No, actually, I still need to explain about that. It's kind of syndrome. It's kind of like a bit like autism. Although in this matter, you have no problems in communicating. Although it isn't actually, because I still have problem with communicating. I still having problem communicating with other people and telling them what I really wanted to do. Where to start with? No, I forgot. No, actually. People think I'm a bit of a weird people, and yes, I am sometimes. I mean, I'm not a looker, I have to say. I'm not a looker. I look pretty damn ugly. Yes, nobody else wants to admit about that. With themselves, they're ugly. No, nobody wants to admit about that. They always say, "Oh, I'm handsome." No, I'm not that kind of guy. I can cook. I love cooking. I love fish. I love animals. I love cars. I like cars, in fact. I like aircraft. That's why I'm taking my college study at aeronautical engineering. No, I'm not going to become a pilot, no. And back to the Asperger topics. What is an example of an Asperger's? Well, if you want to tell, it's not really that, it doesn't really matter, but if you want to tell someone, no, not telling someone, if you want to know if someone is an Asperger or not, here's how. First of all, they never took something implicit. Like, I don't know. Oh, you might realize why I'm speaking in English. Because Indonesian sucks. I don't like speaking Indonesian. Well, I can, but I don't want to. Ya, oke. Mungkin agak sedikit salah. Gue gak suka ngobrol pakai bahasa Indonesia. Serius. Tapi gini deh, kalau contoh Asperger, mereka nggak pernah dapat sesuatu yang secara implisit. I mean, gue dapet dari channel lain, seorang cewek yang share pengalamannya being an Asperger. Suatu saat dia lagi ngaca, lalu ada beberapa cewek, lu ngaca dong. Lalu dia bilang, ya gue lagi ngaca, something like that. Atau kalau contohnya gue apa ya, susah. Apa lagi ya masalah dari Asperger? Mungkin nggak bisa baca perasaan orang lain. Orang-orang Asperger kebanyakan nggak ngerti bahwa dia lagi kesal something, dia orang itu nggak suka atau gimana. Just keep going like that. I mean, nggak menyadari bahwa orang itu lagi marah atau lagi sedih. Mereka nggak punya rasa empati kesannya. Bukan mereka, kita. Kita orang-orang Asperger kadang-kadang dibilang kita nggak punya empati. What's next? Freakishness. Yep, Aspergers are freak. I am freak. Dan kadang-kadang berpikir, gila lu ya nonton. I've watched Top Gear every single day. That's my favorite show, and that's why someone says I have an accent of Jeremy Clarkson. Dan freakishness gue itu sangat-sangat ajaib sampai orang berpikir, ya gila lu sanggup nonton Top Gear tiap hari, freak lu. Tapi gue nggak berpikir begitu karena memang itu hal yang gue seneng lakukan. Gue nggak mau melakukan hal apapun yang gak gue seneng. Dan gue kalau ngomong saya anak udahnya, gue jujur. I mean ya kadang-kadang gue jujur sama nilai. Gue pernah nyumput bilang nilai apa, tanya nilai, aduh belum keluar, padahal sebetulnya udah keluar dan ternyata IP-nya cuma 1,84. Contoh kalau gue ngomong belak-belakan, kalau gue nggak senang sama orang, dulu gue sering tunjukin gue nggak senang sama lu gitu, atau nggak ngobrol sama sekali. Sekarang kadang-kadang itu masih keluar, dan itu terjadi di unit gue, kayak gitu. Masalah lain dari Asperger, perfectionism. Suatu hari, minggu lalu atau ya minggu lalunya hari apa lupa, tapi yang jelas di bawah hari Sabtu, jadi mungkin sekitar Rabu, seseorang yang gue targetin mengatakan bahwa gue itu ngeselinnya di sisi perfectionismnya. Dan gue nanya, kenapa menurutmu perfectionism itu menyebalkan? Dan dia bilang karena sulit untuk jadi seorang perfect. Semua hal itu nggak mungkin perfect, dan bahwa there isn't anything like perfection. There's nothing like perfection. I mean, it's almost impossible to achieve. You see something wrong, you're going to mend it, and then you didn't finish. Tapi mungkin gue menganggap itu sebagai perfection. I don't take it as a meticulousness, an attention to detail. Dan itulah kenapa gue lebih suka McLaren daripada Ferrari. What else? I can't think of anything. Other than that, Asperger is normal. They're absolutely normal. We are absolutely normal. I can fall in love. I can go mad sometimes. Well, soal go mad itu bedanya dengan yang lain. Gue gak main-main. Pernah sekali waktu gue karena kesal dikerjain terus sama seorang senpai di UKJ di UTB. Akhirnya gue memutuskan, karena gue kesal, gue fed up, akhirnya gue pukul muka dia. Sebenarnya bukan mukul sih, sebetulnya cuma gampar doang. The problem is, guanya masih anak baru, sementara dia udah mau lulus. Hehehe. Jadi bahkan gue nggak main-main gitu. Dan kadang-kadang gue mikir, why should I be like this? Dan kadang-kadang gue berkata ke diri gue, well, you nearly are a perfect man. Apart from the fact that you don't have a good face, a good looking face, and a normal man is supposed to be. Okay, of course, this channel wouldn't just be all about rantings and rubbish stuffs like this, ranting about my fate. But this is the only way I can start my introduction. So welcome to my channel and enjoy.